Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.3. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.3. Already we discussed about the identities in introduction. So we know that the formulas. Now first question, using identity find the value of. Listen, 4.9 whole square. How will you write that? 5 minus 0.1, that is 4.9. 5 minus 0.1, we get 4.9. So listen this one, it is in the format a minus b whole square. So what is a minus b whole square? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now applying the formula, 5 minus 0.1 whole squared equal to a squared, that is a is 5. 5 squared minus 2ab, 2 into 5 into 0.1 plus b squared, that is 0.1 whole square. 5 squared means 25 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 0.1 get 1 plus 0.1 whole square. So 0.1 into 0.1 we get 0.01. 25 minus 1 24 plus 0.01 means 24.01. So that is the answer, 4.9 whole square. Next one, 100.1. How will you write that? 100 plus 0.1, we get 100.1. It is in the format a plus b whole squared formula. A plus b whole squared formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, that is the formula. Here a is 100, b is 0.1. So 100 plus 0.1 whole square equal to a square, that is 100 squared plus 2 into 100 into 0.1 plus b squared is 0.1 whole square. Now 100 square means 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 0.1, 2 into 100, 200, 200 into 0.1, 20. 0.1 whole square, that is, we know that, 0.01. Now 10,020.01. That is the answer. Which one? 100.1 whole square. Next one, 1.9 into 2.1. How will you write that? 1.9, that is 2 minus 0.1, and 2.1 is 2 plus 0.1. Now it is in the format a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, it is a squared minus b squared. Now 2 plus 0.1 into 2 minus 0.1 equal to 2 squared minus 0.1 squared, a squared minus b squared. 2 squared is 4 minus 0.1 whole square means 0.01. So 4 minus 0.01 means that is 3.99. That is the answer for 1.9 into 2.1. That is the answer. Next one, second question, factorize 4x squared minus 9y squared. Listen, 4x squared minus 9y squared. How will you write that? 4, that is 2 squared, x squared minus 9 square, 9 means 3 square, 3 into 3 9, right? 3 squared y squared. Now 2x whole squared minus 3y whole squared. We can write like this. Okay, no? Now a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now what is a here? That is 2x whole square minus 3x whole square equal to a is 2x, b is 3y. So 2x plus 3y into 2x minus b 3y. So that is the answer for this one. There are some simplify using identities. First one 3p plus q into 3p plus r. So it is in the form x plus a into x plus b. What is the formula for that? X plus a into x plus b equal to x squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now what is x? X equal to 3p, a equal to q and b equal to r. Now apply the formula 3p plus q into 3p plus r equal to x squared, that is 3p whole squared plus x into 3p into what is a here? Q plus b is r plus a into b, q into r. Now 3p whole square, 3 square means 9, p square plus 3p into q plus r plus q into r, qr. So that is the answer. Next one 3p plus q into 3p minus q. It is in the format a plus b into a minus b, right? Here a is 3p and b is q. Now 3p plus q into 3p minus q. What is a plus b into a minus b formula? A plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So 3p plus q into 3p minus q equal to a squared, that is 3p whole squared minus b squared q squared. So 3p square whole square, 3 square 9, p square minus q square. So that is the answer. Next one, fourth sum, show that x plus 2y whole square minus x minus 2y whole square equal to 8xy. Here LHS is what? First write the LHS, that is x plus 2y whole squared minus x minus 2y whole square. What is x plus 2y whole square? It is in the format a plus b whole square. A plus b whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and it is in the form of a minus b whole squared. So a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So write down a squared plus b squared. A squared, that is x squared plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, b is 2y plus b squared minus, now a minus b whole square formula, a squared minus 2 into a into b plus b square 2y whole square. Now listen, x square plus 2 into x into 2y, 2 2s are 4, x into y xy plus 2y whole square, 2 square is 4, 1 y square minus here x squared minus 2 2s are 4 xy plus 2 square 4 and y square. Now listen, multiply this minus into inside the bracket. So listen, first one write as it is, x squared 4xy plus 4y square. Here minus into plus, nothing is there means plus, so plus into minus into plus, minus x squared and then minus into minus plus 4xy, next minus into plus minus 4y square. Now cancel this numbers, x squared plus x squared minus x squared will get cancelled and plus 4y square and minus 4y square get cancelled. What's the remaining value? Plus 4xy plus 4xy. Add means we get 8xy. So that is the RHS. Now LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Fifth sum, the pathway of a square paddy field has 5 meter width and length of its side is 40 meter. Find the total area of its pathway. Listen, a field is like that. Listen, the pathway of a square paddy field of width is 5 meter. So this is 5 meter and then length of its side, this side is 40 meter. Now find out the area of this pathway. We have to find out this area. For that we have to find out the length of the larger square. So first one, write down what they given. Side of small square equal to how much? 40 meter. And width of the pathway they given, width of the pathway equal to 5 meter. Now from that we have to find out the side of the large square. Large square equal to, what is that? Side of small square plus 2 into width. Side of small square plus 2 into width, that is 40 plus 2 into 5. 40 plus 2 into 10, 2 into 5, 10. So 50 meter. That is the side of large square. Now we have to find out the area of pathway. Area of pathway equal to area of large square minus area of small square. Area of large square means that is 50 square. A square, side into side, side square, no, area of square. So large square means 50 meter side. So 550 square minus 40 square. It is in the form of a squared minus b squared. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Now a is 50 here and b is 40. So a plus b means 50 plus 40 into 50 minus 40. 50 plus 40, 90 into 50 minus 40, 10. So 900 meter square. That is the area of pathway. That is the answer. Sixth sum. If x equal to a square minus 1 and y equal to 1 minus b square, then find x plus y and factorize the same. Listen, write down what they given. X equal to a squared minus 1 and y equal to 1 minus b square. Now x plus y equal to a squared minus 1 plus 1 minus b squared. Remove the bracket now. A squared minus 1 plus into plus plus 1 plus into minus minus. Now plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So we get a squared minus b squared. Now factorize it. A squared minus b squared, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now it is factorized. That is the answer. Seventh sum. Find the value of x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square. X minus y into x plus y into x squared plus y squared. Listen this two terms, that is in a plus b into a minus b format. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b squared. So here a equal to x and b equal to y. Now a square, that is x squared minus y squared. Already x square plus y square is there. So x square plus y square. Now again it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. Both are same now. So a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here a equal to x squared and b equal to y squared. Same format. So what is a squared? Now x squared whole square minus b squared is y squared whole square. X squared power 2, it is a power m whole to the power n equal to a power m into n. So x power 2 into 2 4 minus y power 2 into 2 4. So x power 4 minus y power 4 is the answer. Eighth sum. Simplify 5x minus 3y whole square minus 5x plus 3y whole square. Listen, 5x minus 3y whole square minus 5x plus 3y whole square. Here a minus b whole square format, here a plus b whole square format. So a minus b whole square equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b square. Next a plus b whole square equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a equal to 5x and b equal to 3y. Now expand this. 5x minus 3y whole squared. A minus b whole squared formula. So 5x a squared minus 2ab, 5x into 3y plus b squared, 3y the whole square, minus, now 5x plus 3y whole square, 5x whole square plus 2 into 5x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Next step, 5x whole square, 5 square 25, x squared minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, x into y xy plus 3y the whole square. So 3 square means 9 y square minus here 25 x squared plus same thing 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, xy plus 9y square. Now remove the bracket, 25x squared minus 30xy plus 9y squared. Here multiply this minus with this 3 terms. So minus into plus minus 25x squared minus into plus minus 30xy minus into plus minus 9y square. Now cancellation, 25 plus 25x squared minus 25x squared get cancelled, and then plus 9y squared minus 9y squared get cancelled. Now remaining values minus 30xy minus 30xy, same sign. So we have to add these numbers with the same sign. So put the sign and add these numbers. So 30 plus 30, 60xy. That is the answer. Ninth sum, simplify. First subdivision, a plus b whole squared minus a minus b whole squared. We know that this identity is a plus b whole squared, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus a minus b whole squared, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now remove the bracket, a plus 2ab plus b squared, multiply this minus with this two terms, minus into plus minus a squared, minus into minus plus 2ab, minus into plus minus b squared. Now plus a squared minus a squared get cancelled, and plus b squared minus b squared get cancelled. So we get, write the remaining values, 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab. That is the answer for first subdivision. Next one, a plus b whole squared plus a minus b whole squared. Now a plus b whole squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now remove the bracket, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now multiply this plus with everything, means we get plus into plus plus, a squared plus into minus minus 2ab plus into plus plus b squared. Now plus 2ab minus 2ab get cancelled. Get a squared plus b squared plus a squared plus b squared. Now 2a squared plus 2b squared. Now 2 is common now, so taken as common, we get 2 into a square plus b square. So that is the answer. 10th sum. A square lawn has 2 meter wide path surrounding it. If the area of the path is 136 meter square, find the area of the lawn. Listen. A square lawn. Its area, they given this one. This area is 136 meter square and the width of the lawn is 2 meter. From that we have to find out the area of this. So listen, first write down what they given. Width of the path equal to 2 meter. Let the side of the lawn be a meter and side of large square it is a meter means what is this one? That means add the wide 2 times. So a plus 2 into 2, that means a plus 4 meter. Now also given area of pathway equal to 136 meter square. That means area of large square minus area of small square equal to 136 meter square. Now area of large square is, that is a plus 4 whole square minus area of small square is a square equal to 136. Now it is in a plus b whole square formula. So a squared plus 2ab, 2 into a into 4, that means 8a plus 4 square, that is 16, minus a squared equal to 136. Now a squared minus a squared get cancelled. Balance 8a plus 16 equal to 136. Now 8a equal to 136 minus 16. A equal to 136 minus 16 means 120. Here 8 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. Now cancel 8 1 is 8. 1 8 is 8. Balance 4. It becomes 40 5 times. So A equal to 15 meter. So side of the square lawn is 15 meter. Side of lawn equal to 15 meter. Now they ask area of the lawn. Area of lawn equal to A into A, side into side, right? That means 15 into 15, we get 225 meter square. That is area of the lawn. That is the answer. 11th sum, solve the following inequalities. First subdivision, 4n plus 7 greater than or equal to 3n plus 10. Here n is an integer. So 4n plus 7 greater than or equal to 3n plus 10. Listen, assemble the variable on side. So 4n, here 3n plus 3n, bring this side means minus 3n is greater than or equal to here 10, and 7 plus 7 bring this side means minus 7. Now 4n minus 3n, n, 1n is greater than or equal to 10 minus 7, 3. Now what is the value of n? Greater than or equal to 3. Here integer they given, so greater than or equal to, so 3 also will come, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So that is the value of n. Now second one, 6 into x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 5 into x minus 3. Now multiply the 6 with the inside the bracket. So we get 6 into x, 6x, plus into plus plus, 6 into 6, 36 is greater than or equal to 5 into x, 5x, plus into minus minus, 5 3s are 15. Now as usual, assemble the variables on side. So 6x minus 5x is greater than or equal to minus 15 is here, and bring this 36 to this side means minus 36. Now 6x minus 5x means we get 1x is greater than or equal to minus 15 minus 36. Same sign, so we have to add these numbers with the sign. So minus 51. X, now the value of x is greater than or equal to minus 51. So 0, x is a whole number, so start with 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to minus 51. Etc. That is the answer. Third subdivision, minus 13 less than or equal to 5x plus 2 less than or equal to 32. First, subtract 2 from the equation. Now minus 13 minus 2, subtract 2, and less than or equal to 5x plus 2 is there, again subtract 2. In this term 32 minus 2. Now minus 13 minus 2, minus 15 less than or equal to, now plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, so 5x is there, less than or equal to 32 minus 2, 30 only. Now divided by 5 throughout the equation means minus 15 by 3 less than or equal to 5x by 5 less than or equal to 30 by 5. 15 by 5, 3 less than or equal to 5 by 5, 1, so x only there, less than or equal to 30 by 5, 6 times. Now minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. X is an integer. Now what is the value of x means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because less than or equal to the given. So that is the answer. With the sum, Exercise 3.3 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.